Are you dreaming of Italy? Rome, the Eternal City, home to the Colosseum. Roman Forum and Vatican City. Florence, heart of the Renaissance, famous for art and architecture. Venice, romantic canals, gondolas, and St. Mark's Square. Milan, fashion capital with stunning Duomo Cathedral. Naples, gateway to Mount Vesuvius and birthplace of pizza. Colosseum, iconic symbol of ancient Rome. Leaning Tower of Pisa, world-famous tilted tower. Pompeii, preserved Roman city. Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Siena, medieval charm and the famous Piazza del Campo. Amalfi Coast, dramatic cliffs and colorful seaside towns. Cinque Terre, 5 picturesque fishing villages. Lake Como, elegant lakeside villas and mountain views. Dolomites, stunning alpine landscapes. Sardinia, crystal clear beaches and turquoise waters.
With A&U Adventure, booking your dream destination is simple and seamless. Explore the world with ease directly through our website. We are a premier visa consultancy and bespoke travel planning company based in the United Kingdom, dedicated to making your journey stress-free. From expert document preparation to personalized travel itineraries, we simplify global exploration, so you can focus on the adventure ahead.
Visit our website to get started.